Hi guys, so I just did today's workout and it was amazing. I really enjoyed it. It was full body workout, really brutal, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the exercise that I was doing. It was on this dip station. I don't have any more strength to actually show it exactly because I'm like totally wiped out. But you're working with this exercise that you're gonna see in a moment. You're gonna see how this exercise works your abs. It's so great for your abs. You're gonna be really developing these muscles, your entire core. And I was doing these kicks, but I was holding myself like this. I can't do it anymore because I was doing 3 rounds of this exercise and I'm like done. So I just wanted to tell you guys that this exercise is amazing and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So now I'm just gonna let you watch the workout and don't forget to try it at home. So this was our workout for today. It was 18 minutes of interval training, interval strength training. And you guys gonna be getting the benefits of strength training and cardio all together. It's a great workout, and you have the entire workout breakdown on my site BodyRock.tv. So check for that. Try this workout at home. Try to beat my score. I'm gonna post my score there. And don't forget to check the workout schedule because we're gonna be doing workouts and exercise challenges throughout the entire week. And that's it. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this workout and I will see you guys tomorrow.